Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your RedMagic 11 Air. So first, a simple common fix. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the settings, and now in those settings, go over to Wi-Fi. So the first option from the top. Now we're gonna disable it and enable it. So this is a quick restart of our Wi-Fi. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna forget and reconnect to the network in those settings. So we're gonna choose the network that we're currently using. We're gonna forget it. And now let's select it again and enter the password. So I'll see you guys once I enter mine. Now let's just click connect, and as you guys can see, we are connected to the same network again. What we want to do next is we want to restart our router and a phone. So I do not have my router nearby. All you guys have to do is just pull a switch on the back of the router. This is the most common spot for it. You just turn it off and turn it on. Now for the phone, you just hold the power button until you see this menu pop up, tap restart, and click again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, let's quickly enter the password, and next what we're gonna do is we're gonna check for software updates in these settings. So open up settings, scroll all the way down until you see system almost at the bottom, and here tap soft system update. Here you will check for software update, and as you guys can see, my software is updated to the latest version, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest versions because older versions tend to have a lot of glitches in them and the newer versions fix them. So make sure you're on the latest version just like me. And now what you guys want to do next as a last resort is reset network settings. So stay in the system, go to reset options, and tap reset network settings. Here you guys can reset this, and the second one, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So here we can reset the Wi-Fi. This will unsave every single network that we have saved on our device, and we will have to re-enter the passwords. So be careful before clicking reset, make sure to write everything down, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.